Welcome to the Sea Grant Workshop. This is part 4 of the 6-part series. In the previous videos, we provided an overview of the Sea Grants, discussed aligning your project with the Sea Grant funding goals, and reviewed the IEPA core competencies. In this video, we'll talk about ensuring your project is replicable and sustainable. In future videos, we'll review the budget and discuss the application submission process. Our emphasis on replicable projects is grounded in the principles of the scientific method, ensuring that outcomes are reproducible and reflect true educational value rather than chance or bias. Replicability is key to credibility and long-term impact. When writing your project proposal narrative, we recommend that you use standardized methods and clearly define your protocol so that others can repeat or reproduce your work with fidelity. Document the steps and resources required so that the project can be implemented again by you or by others. And if not outlined in the narrative, then consider how you will document the steps or plan ahead, or record the steps during the process of the pilot. Next, consider scalability. If the project is replicable, how can it be expanded to include additional programs, disciplines, or learners to achieve a broader institutional impact? And finally, address sustainability beyond the grant period. What will be needed for others to replicate or adapt the project after the funding ends? Some examples include creating a facilitator's manual that you can leave or give to others so that they can operate the program, or publishing your curriculum or tools in MedEd portal, or developing open access resources that support future implementation, such as putting them on the website. By planning for replication, scalability, and sustainability, your project can move from a single initiative to a model that transforms education across programs and institutions. Sustainability ensures that educational innovations and research continue to deliver impact beyond the initial grant period, supporting institutional goals and maximizing the value of the investment. Without it, progress risks being lost, limiting long-term benefits for learners, faculty, and the academic community. Some key considerations for your proposal narrative include ownership. Who will lead and maintain the project after the pilot ends? Is there a committed team or department that will take leadership of the program after the grant? Funding. How will ongoing costs be covered? Options might include tuition or program fees or departmental budgets. Resources. Will the same facilities, technology, or personnel remain available post-grant to redo the project if you offered it again? Scheduling. Is there a sustainable timeline for future iterations? Have stakeholders agreed on when and how it will continue? Integration. Can the project be embedded into existing curriculum or programs? This may require course director approval or APC review, so start those conversations early. And additional factors. Identify unique challenges or requirements for your program and address them proactively. By thinking through these ideas now, you will ensure your project isn't just a cool idea, but it will be sustainable as an educational intervention used to benefit students now and for years to come. This will conclude video 4 of the 6-part series. Please use our website for additional resources on the Sea Grants or email us with any questions.